Welcome to this lesson of German plural forms. In German, there are seven main types of plural endings, and understanding them is essential for building your vocabulary and forming correct sentences. In this video, we will go through each plural type step by step, and you will learn when each type is used, what patterns and signals to look for, and how to recognize the correct plural form for different nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently identify and form plural in German, an important skill at the A1 level. Let's get started. The plural, or in English, the plural. What types of plural we will be studying today? As we can see, there are seven types of plural, and today we will learn about each of them. Every noun in the German language can be in singular or in plural. Also, it can be only singular or only plural. The plural in German is formed in six ways, and seventh additional. Five standard types of plural formation, one type for exceptions. How can we know which noun forms the plural in which way? There are no fixed rules to follow. However, there is some logic to it. We have masculine, feminine, and neutral, often used rarely in internationalisms. Here it is the symbols. Let's continue. General rules for forming the plural. The rules for the types are indicated by a symbol, which appears in brackets after the singular form of the word. The symbol explains the suffix of the noun in the plural. Each of the types has its own subtypes. What changes in a noun when used in the plural? The article of the noun can be changed, the stem of the noun, changes in letters, or addition of extra letters. For example, we have two symbols, how it is formed, and singular and plural examples. For example, the first symbol means that the stem stays the same, the article remains the, one of the vowels gets an umlaut, and the letter E is added. For example, in singular we have die Stadt or city, in plural die Städte, cities. The article we make die, the vowel A gets an umlaut, and the E is added in the end of the word. The second symbol means that the stem stays the same, the article changes to D, and the letter S is added. Let's see some example. Der Hotel is masculine in singular, means in English hotel. The plural, the hotels. Hotels. Let's continue and start with the plural first form. We have two symbols. The first symbol means that the stem remains the same and only the article changes to "die" in plural. Let's see some examples. Das Brötchen or bread roll in singular, in plural changes to die Brötchen, bread rolls. Or das Messer or knife, die Messer, knives. The second symbol means that the stem remains the same, the article changes to "die", and one of the vowels gets an umlaut. Let's see examples. Der Bruder or brother in singular, in plural changes to die Brüder or brothers. Second example, der Apfel or apple, die Äpfel, apples. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.